Okay, here's another stone I have here. And this stone I'm going to talk about, first of all, collecting for your own appreciation. Um, Sometimes stones aren't the greatest. I mean, I'm not saying like because they're cheap or badly carved. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about maybe they have a defect or something, or you know, which this stone has, and but it has qualities that are just outshine that so much. This stone, for instance, has many different colors in it. At the top here, this food dog is starts with like a tan and then goes to a translucent brown. The adjacent animal has a white and yellow head and a yellow body. The next one has like almost a burgundy going into an orange body, and then the back of the larger parent food dog has these different colors. This deep orange and browns and whites, of course. Now, this stone in the front looks like a landscape, and that's one of the things I really love about it. Let me get my bowl of clay here, and you can see that looks like rainy weather in the distance, and the landscape, various features in the landscape, really nice. Now this part of the stone is like a yellowish color, and then I can't really seem to pick it up that well. Let me see if I can zoom in here. Something's not working here. Okay, oops. Focus. But these are actually what they call radish lines. They're orange ones, and it's really, the camera's having a little bit of a hard time picking it out. They're characterized by like lines themselves, and in this case, they're actually orange. I'm really having a hard time picking them up. Let me see if I can zoom out and then just move in closer. The stone is just really beautiful, but this part of this seal, because this is a decent sized seal, this would actually make a really beautiful seal by itself. And that's what I love about the stone. Like, I could literally cut the stone up and make some really beautiful seals from it, and still have the food dog left over. You can see the sign. The sign, kind of 3/4 view, it kind of looks like a landscape with a mountain here, and a little jagged landscape down here. The back, and this is like burgundy going up through it to the reds and browns and yellows and oranges. The back has some of the features of Gaoshan stone, and it's the radish lines. Here, this is like a transparent, milky white color, and you can very clearly see the Y-shaped radish pattern here. And I believe that this is an electric reaction. Here you can see the current flowing through the stone and the perpendicular magnetic field. It always separates. You always have like a white or a clear stone, and then you'll have the iron compounds which make up these oranges and reds accumulating along the axis of these magnetic force lines. This one is just par none with this pattern of radish here, and but here's why the stone might be passed up by others. This is regular soapstone here. It's soft, but the thing I love about it is that the boundaries, I don't know if I can pick it up, this darker like edge here, this like kind of tan colored edge that goes all the way around, is actually clear, and it just looks like that because of the way the light's reflecting off of it. But I love the fact that it has like this crystal edge right around this opaque defect, and then it's got these highlights of white on either side. To me, it's not a defect. It's just showing another type of stone within the stone. And, you know, how the stone forms. Like, this is a chunk that's floating in this fluid medium that's left over. That this originally was a very hard piece of granite that has been softened by acidic fluids and is now floating inside these other fluids, which are being charged by an electric field, and it's causing these iron compounds to accumulate along the force lines. But this is just a gorgeous stone, and the carving is really nice. This little food dog is kind of truncated because there was actually a crack that went up here, and I think the carver just took it off so that it wouldn't fall off you know, when the stone got old. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. Remember, look at the stones,